Here we have an iPad Pro 10.5 inch that came in for no power. This one came in locally. We already disassembled the board. We tested the TriStar. TriStar is good. The charging port is good. But the tablet is drawing 0.6 amps. 0.6 amps is an indication that we have a short circuit on the board. And that's based on my experience working on those tablets. There is no source that you can go to that will tell you 0.6 amps draw is a short circuit. But I know this because I work on those tablets every single day. And I developed a pattern. When I see 0.48 amps draw, or 0.49, or 0.50, or even 0.60, and sometimes 0.70 amp draw, it's an indication that we have a short on the motherboard. Let me remove my phone off the wireless charging so we can see the reading. 5 volts at 0.6 amps. Okay? So there's a problem with the tablet. Before I do anything, I'm going to inspect the board under a thermal camera, just to see if there's anything. Oh, look at this. Right there. Let's narrow it down to one area. And right now we have a problem right here. Great. Thank you very much, thermal camera. And let's go under the microscope and see what's going on this area of the board. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this. This is the first time I see this component blown on an iPad. And I work on iPads every single day. This is the first time I see something like this. We do not know what caused the capacitor to blow. And we do not know if we have problems anywhere else. Maybe we have a problem with this power IC. Or we have a problem with components somewhere on the side of the board. Or even maybe our CPU is gone. We do not know. But what we can do is remove this component and test again. That's what we can do right now. We're going to replace the component, of course, but for now I want to remove it and test to see if we still have a 0.6 amp draw. Capacitor is out. Let's go ahead and plug the cable. And what do we see? We see nothing. Oh, it came back on. Okay. I removed the battery separator. I pressed the battery down. And right now, it does not look like we are getting any 2.6. And that's good. That's high-speed charging. Very good. 5 volts at 2.6 amps. Wow. Wow. All we have to do is replace the component. And we're going to reassemble and test. And I do have a donor board here, so we're going to extract that capacitor from here, and we're going to put it on the customer's board. But before we do so, let's prep the pads. And let's grab that component. And we're going to put it on the customer's board. Right over here. And just a little bit of hot air. Right, and the job is done. Let's clean up. All we have to do is test. Let me grab the screen and I'll be back. Okay, so cable 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna remove the battery separator. And just be careful so we do not disconnect the screen while the battery is still connected, because if you do that, you're gonna blow out the backlight circuit or the touch circuit or the display circuit. Plug the charging cable and let's see what happens. I want to see something on the screen, like the battery logo. Oh, right there. Right there. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. Tablet is working. Ta-da! And touch is working also. I do not want to put the wrong password, so delete. Perfect. The job is done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.